Gonna see if we got something in the mail today. Oh, it's nice. Wonder what's in here. Let's see what the mailman brought me today. We're gonna be repairing this knife. Got this off of eBay. Check this bad boy out. Look at there. This is a Gerber, vintage Gerber, broken tip, Portland, USA. See right there? Ain't that cool? That's gonna shine up real good. The handles are wood, got brass bolsters up here, brass liners, stainless steel blade, and stainless steel lock, stainless steel spring. Yes, sir. That's gonna be a good project. Can't wait. Just want to show you all this real quick. Just got it in the mail today, this morning. Video will be out soon of me repairing this knife. Gerber, Portland, Oregon, vintage Gerber. I love it.